Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Klamath Falls, OR. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring a seasonal outdoor pool, this motel is 1.3 miles from Klamath Falls International Airport in Klamath Falls, Oregon. All rooms include cable TV with extended channels. Laundry facilities is located on site. Each air-conditioned room at Motel 6-Klamath Falls features a private bathroom. All rooms include colorful decor and light wood furnishings. A 24-hour reception is offered at Klamath Falls Motel 6. Fax and photocopying services are available. Guests can relax in a sunny poolside terrace during warmer months. Oregon Institute of Technology is 6 miles away. Winema National Forest is 1 hour drive from this motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.